Spinach is a nutrient-rich leafy green, beneficial for eye health, reducing oxidative stress, cancer prevention, and lowering blood pressure. Available fresh, canned, or frozen, it's versatile for salads, side dishes, and smoothies. 1. Oxidative stress. Research indicates that compounds in spinach can help shield the body from oxidative stress, a harmful condition caused by an excess of free radicals and unstable atoms that damage cells combined with a shortage of antioxidants to neutralize them. Prolonged oxidative stress is linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. 2. Eye health. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthine, carotenoids, which accumulate in the retina, particularly in the macula, and are known as macular pigments. Research shows that lutein and zeaxanthine, as antioxidants, may promote eye health by reducing oxidative stress in the eye tissues and absorbing blue light. Eating foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthine may also help lower your risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. 3. Reduce cancer risk. Spinach contains carotenoids that may lower cancer risk by protecting DNA from free radical damage, which can lead to tumor development. Observational studies associate higher blood carotenoid levels with a reduced risk of breast and lung cancers. Additionally, cooked spinach is a good source of dietary fiber, which is linked to a decreased risk of colorectal cancer. 4. Lower blood pressure. Spinach is among the vegetables with the highest nitrate content. This increases the production of nitric oxide, a compound that causes blood vessels to relax and dilate, decreasing blood pressure. One trial found that dietary nitrate from spinach may help lower blood pressure and contribute to heart health. Cooked spinach is also high in potassium, which may help lower blood pressure by removing extra sodium from the body through urine. Potassium can also help relax blood vessel walls and lower blood pressure. 5. Diabetes. Spinach is reasonably high in fiber yet low in carbohydrates, which can help manage blood sugar while keeping you full. Spinach also contains alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, which may help improve insulin sensitivity, blood sugar, and complications of diabetes. Another study found spinach extracts improved blood sugar and wound healing in mice with diabetes. However, more research is needed to determine the benefits of spinach for humans with diabetes. 6. Improve asthma symptoms. Data show that higher vegetable intake is linked to a lower occurrence of asthma. The antioxidants in spinach may help reduce airway inflammation, improving symptoms and severity. They may also help improve the immune responses involved in the development and progression of asthma. 7. Promotes regular digestion. Cooked spinach is a good source of fiber, which helps clean out your digestive tract and remove unwanted buildup to support gut health. Fiber also helps add bulk to your stool and softens it, making it easier to pass and reducing the risk of constipation. Spinach is among the most nutrient-dense foods available, packed with vitamins A and K, folate, and carotenoids. This leafy green provides a range of health benefits, including better eye health, reduced oxidative stress, disease prevention, and lower blood pressure. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, smoothies, and sandwiches, or cooked as a side or main dish.